When you're visiting Wilmington, you have to get a different perspective sometimes and see the Riverwalk from the water. Today, we are joining Wilmington Water Tours for one of their afternoon tours. They're one of the only companies that's locally and family owned since 2010, operating out of Wilmington. They pride themselves on educational tours, and today we are taking the Eagles Island North Tour. It's a 15-minute ride, and it's perfect amount of time for the kids to see the Cape Fear River. So let's go check it out. The cruise we're taking is one of the most popular options, but they have specialty cruises that focus on history or the movies filmed in the Wilmington area. So definitely check those out. And if you are visiting during peak season, book your cruise before your trip because they will sell out. Everybody arrives 15 minutes before your departure time, and you check in at the Wilmington Water Tours stand, which is directly off of the Riverwalk. Kind of chill out and hang out for 15 minutes while the boat arrives, and then you're ready to board. We made this a multi-generational trip. I took my 3 kids, ages 12, 9, and 5, and my mother, and I have to say the 50-minute time frame was the perfect amount of time for us to be on the water without any of my kids feeling antsy. I spoke briefly with the owner of Wilmington Water Tours, and she's very proud of the fact that they're the only locally owned boat charter company in the city. When you step on board, there is a bar with a bartender on board if you prefer a cocktail, but they also have soda options, which is what we chose to cool off for our tour. After a brief safety message, we were ready to take off, and our captain and first mate were local to Wilmington their entire lives, and they were so knowledgeable and friendly. Believe me, my kids had a ton of questions for them that were so bizarre, and they were so patient with my kids. Seeing the Riverwalk from the water is just an entirely new perspective of the city. And there's so much history on the Cape Fear River. It's shaped Wilmington's story for centuries. Long before European settlers arrived, indigenous communities relied on the waters for transportation, fishing, and trade. In 1729, Wilmington was founded along its banks and quickly grew into one of North Carolina's busiest ports. And the river was so busy during the Civil War because it was a vital lifeline for the Confederate blockade runners bringing supplies to nearby Fort Fisher. We learned so much local history, and Wilmington is a popular TV and movie film spot.
One of the big ones is One Tree Hill, another one would be Dawson's Creek, and then the last 3 seasons of a show called Matlock with Andy Griffith were filmed at the Out Lennon building. So he ran up and down those steps with a hot dog.
The battleship North Carolina also sits on the Cape Fear River, and even though we had already toured the battleship North Carolina before our water tour, it was a different perspective of the battleship, seeing it directly on the water, and you can really get a sense of the massive size of the battleship. So do I recommend doing both on your Wilmington visit? Absolutely. And of course, the Cape Fear River isn't just rich in history, it's also one of the most beautiful natural landscapes in coastal North Carolina. As the river winds towards the Atlantic Ocean, you'll find towering cypress trees, quiet marshes, and a thriving ecosystem filled with herons, ospreys, egrets, turtles, the occasional dolphin, and we were told that sometimes on the boat tours they see gators that are hanging out on the banks sunbathing. We didn't see any, but maybe next time, and that's because no 2 Wilmington water tours are the same. The changing tides really bring the river to life, and every single tour is going to be a little different. The Wilmington Water Tours was a peaceful reminder of the wild beauty that has defined this region for centuries. It was so enjoyable to hear about the local history and really take in the sights from the boat. It was really relaxing, and my kids had a great time. I recommend it for families. Let me know if you have any questions below in the comments. I have other Wilmington videos. I will link them below as well if you're planning a full vacation itinerary. And you can find all of my content at savvymamalifestyle.com. Thanks for joining.